friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Home Remedies for Fairness. Friends, before going to bed, we should apply night cream onto our face. This is very important for your skin. When you apply night cream on your skin becomes relaxed. Now friends, let us see the procedure of making night cream. Friends, do watch this video and do not forget to like and to subscribe this YouTube channel. So let us see the procedure to make night cream. To prepare a night cream, we need 1 spoon of coconut oil, 2 spoons of almond oil, 1 spoon of rose water and 4 spoons of glycerine. Now let us see the procedure. Take a clean bowl, then add coconut oil, almond oil, glycerine and rose water in it. Mix it properly. So dear friends, this was our today's video in which we have shown how to prepare night cream. It is very to prepare at home. You can store it as well. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, do share it. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.